In this video, I will make to show that how you can do addition in Microsoft Excel. I have written here some data, numeric 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we can make the addition of column 1 and column 2 like this. You can here enter the formula, select H5. I have selected H and 5. Now here you can write is equal to sum into. Now select the columns do you want to which you want to create the sum. I have select this one and now create plus sign and select this one. Now I have to this. Have you seen this formula? This is the formula. Now I take it enter. Now you have seen this will be the sum of these two. Now same for this and this, same as it is equal to sum into this one plus this one and then like this and then press enter. This will be the sum. Now make it to the center. Now bold this one, bold this, bold this, bold this. I hope you have learned that how to make the addition in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.